Long ago, on the stormy seas of the Caribbean, there sailed a notorious pirate captain named Captain Scarlet. She was feared and respected by all the sailors who dared to cross her path. But Captain Scarlet wasn't interested in just any treasure. She wanted the greatest treasure of all, the legendary Golden Pearl, said to be hidden on a mysterious island guarded by wild beasts and treacherous waves. One day, Captain Scarlet's ship, the Sea Serpent, anchored near an island known only in whispered tales, Blackbeard's Island. It was said that the famous pirate Blackbeard himself had buried his treasure there, and no one had ever returned from trying to find it. The island was surrounded by dangerous rocks, and the jungle inside was thick with thorns and sharp vines. But Captain Scarlet was no ordinary pirate. With her trusty crew of bold and brave sailors, she was ready for any challenge. "Prepare to land, ye scallywags," she bellowed. "We'll find that golden pearl and become legends." The crew cheered, and with a loud creak, the Sea Serpent docked on the shores of Blackbeard's Island. The air was thick with mystery, and the jungle seemed to whisper secrets. Captain Scarlet, along with her loyal first mate Finn, led the way through the dense jungle. As they marched deeper into the island, they heard strange noises, rustling in the trees, growling from the shadows. But they didn't falter. "We must be close," Captain Scarlet said, her eyes gleaming with excitement. Suddenly, they came to a clearing. There, in the center of a giant rock formation, was an ancient wooden chest, covered in moss and vines. The chest was locked with a heavy iron padlock. "This must be it," Finn exclaimed. But as he reached for the lock, a loud growl echoed through the air. From the jungle emerged a huge, fierce beast, a giant one-eyed panther with fur as dark as midnight. The beast's sharp teeth glistened in the sunlight as it prowled toward them. "We'll need to fight our way to the treasure," Captain Scarlet shouted, drawing her cutlass. Finn grabbed his sword, ready for battle. The panther lunged, but Captain Scarlet was quick. She dodged to the side and swiped her sword, narrowly missing the beast. It circled them, growling menacingly. "Back to the chest, Finn," Captain Scarlet ordered. "We'll have to outsmart this creature." Thinking quickly, Finn grabbed a handful of shiny gold coins from his pouch and threw them into the air. The coins glittered in the sunlight, catching the panther's attention. The beast paused, distracted by the shiny treasure. "Now!" Captain Scarlet shouted,